This crossing is automated, by the way. I'm not gonna, even if I were to push it. This is the very intersection I filmed a couple years ago. It's the same one. It's just a couple years later. And as you can see, not much has changed here. We still got the old signage and everything here. Unlike the next intersection up ahead, which has new traffic lights and everything on it. Come on. Still got green arrows. Still got green arrows. Should be a second now. This is it. Up the arrow. Notice the old signage. Still have the original signs here. Walk sign is on to cross. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're gonna get a limited second countdown, so yeah, that's it.